It's the swag wagon.
It's the swag wagon. Oh my gosh. Look at all that swag.
Woo! Swag wagon. Come get something.
Good morning, everybody. Here we go. Are we ready?
Tommy's ready.
Tommy's ready. Look at that. Old Bear's ready. Martin, look at this. Get a picture of this. This is Martin actually working.
I've been working
This
every
is like
day
a rare.
till
This is
9
like.
o'clock.
Remember, this is like that woodpecker they couldn't find. They think it's extinct. Look, it's not extinct.
All right, welcome to the VW Harvest Weekend. We have set up. We've been here since the break of dawn.
Yes. Well, no, over dawn. Dawn means the sun's coming up. We were way here before that much.
Yes.
So the VW Harvest is about ready to begin. Cars are rolling in. The raffle's getting set up. HB 1921 is over there ready to go. The swappers, of course, beat us all here.
Yeah.
So, but we are rolling in. Look, the weather is beautiful. We wish you were here, but join us. This is going to be a fabulous day.
Yeah, let's get it on. Lots of Volkswagens are coming in right now. And look at this. Oh my gosh, he's got the air ride. We got the big old mama right here. All right, is this car not running?
Well, it needs points.
It needs points. VW Life.
It made it all the way. What do you expect for a junkyard car?
So it's a $799 car?
That's what it cost.
Oh, but it's not for sale.
Not at the moment.
Okay.
Give me 5 minutes.
What's your name?
Keith Zablocki.
And what's the story on this car, Keith?
Found this car in a junkyard in Haltom City. Went, looked at it. Guy asked me what do I think of it. I said it's a parts car. I give him $200 for it. Here's a $200 car.
And it's an oval, and it's a right-hand drive.
It's a 56, originally probably from Great Britain.
With time.
And is it for sale for $799 or is that?
No, we're gonna put a 1 and a 5 on that somewhere.
All right. Well, welcome to VW Harvest. It's pretty cool.
It broke down right at the gates.
Okay.
And then once more getting here.
So maybe just a points adjustment and you'll be good.
It's points. The points are burnt up.
Is it a 36?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
3036.
Welcome to the 2021 VW Harvest. Woohoo!
So what's going to happen right now, Gary?
All right, Matt Jackson. So, first of all, crazy.
We've got the park filled, probably 250 cars. We're going to get a count here pretty soon.
Yeah, it's ginormous.
And what's going to happen now?
So now it's a Twinkie eating contest. Parents, you don't have to buy, look, it's great. They don't have to buy lunch for their kids. It's great. All you gotta do, free Twinkies. And we just got photo bombs.
On the one hand, it's awesome seeing kids eat Twinkies, but it looks really gross too by the time they're done.
Oh yeah, it's a wonderful thing. So watch this. Stay tuned for this. This is crazy.
Not only are you going to take home the world's best Twinkie trophy, but you're going to get a $25 gift card to buy more Twinkies or to buy some Tums because you might, have an upset tummy.
2, 1, go! Just the whole thing went in his mouth. 1 minute to go. 1 minute. Here we go. It's getting tough. Here we go. Eat those.
Get him in, guys. Get him in. Good job, man. Good job.
What's your name? Congratulations.
My name's Aiden.
And you ate the most Twinkies?
Yeah.
All right. All right, 14 and over.
$25 gift card.
Do you think you're going to win? Are you going for it?
Cooper Revis. I might try.
Cooper. All right, are you going to try to win it today?
Yeah.
All right, good luck.
I'll say I was here last time.
I know.
Yeah. So.
How did you do last time? Did you place? Okay.
I think I did second.
Okay, so you're going for gold this time?
Yeah.
Are you going to go for it? You look serious. All right, good luck.
I'm gonna try my best.
Do you have a technique?
Yeah, I'm gonna open up all the packages first, because if your hands are like slimy, then you can't open the package.
Champion. 3, 2, 1, eat!
Open it up.
Roll, guys, let's roll!
There you go. Oh, nice. Uh-oh, we got it. All right, there you go.
That's kind of like how you wash this stuff down, buddy. 1 minute to go.
You're doing good. Actually, yes, you just
3, 2, 1, stop. All right, let's see what we have.
Hands up, Twinkies down.
I got 3 left right here.
Right here.
Got 3 left here.
Darius has 3.
3.
Whoa! Coop, how many you got, buddy? 3. Coop has 3!
Whoa!
Yes!
You got 6 left?
Coop, you made the finals, baby. First one done with 2. That's it. There's no timing. First one done with 2. 3, 2, 1, go. You gotta eat it all. It's gotta be done. You gotta have a clean mouth.
There it goes!
The defending champion wins again! Oh my God, he's the Tom Brady of Twinkies!
It's the swag wagon!
Oh my God! Look at all that swag!
Swag wagon!
Come get something! Oh my gosh!
Okay, over here we're doing Hot Wheels racing. All right, over here we've got Valco Racing. Greg is ready with his surfmobile. Ira's looking at the track.
Yeah, looking at high side.
Trying to figure out the best path. Have you done some test runs yet?
No, not yet, not yet. We just feeling the track out right now. We're feeling it out.
All right, Velo makes it to the final.
I won.
Ladies and gentlemen, semifinals.
Let's hear it for the Green Hornets. Let's hear it for the Fly. Here we go for a chance to make it to the finals versus Nevo. Let's go. Green Hornets.
The tape. We're going to the tape. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the official timer, Parv, looking this on a tape. Who's the winner?
Fly.
The Fly has done it!
This is the finals.
This is what it's all about. The Fly versus Bevo. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 run for the most coveted, second most coveted award. The most coveted award is the Junebug Rally Championship. One more time, let's hear it, race fans! Here we go!
Bevo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Bevo!
First round last year.
It's that new special lubricant.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Congratulations, Mark.
Bevo has just won the champions.
Yes.
BWI!
Congratulations, here's your trophy! First place! Second place, also known as first loser. Sorry, James. First loser. James, congratulations on being second place. Thank you, race fans! Good job!
right, what's your name and where are you from?
From Austin. My name is Todd. This is Carla.
Hey Carla, and what's your VW?
66 High Bug.
High Bug, is that the name?
That's the High Bug, yeah.
You lifted it, huh?
Yeah.
You're ready for anything.
Take it anywhere. Zombie.
We love it. Thanks. Okay, we've got orange rag tops, we got Kias, original cars, and then we also have the swap meet. Pretty much you name it. We got traffic signs, toys. Over here we got parts, used parts, Volkswagen spindles. This is Chris's beautiful 21 window. What's your name and where are you from?
Brian Anthony, Whitney, Texas.
And what do you have today?
This 67 Volkswagen convertible here.
You had this painted.
Yep, Earl Mann and Ardmore, Oklahoma painted it.
It's perfect, I would say.
Oh, thank you.
It's beautiful. Thanks for bringing it.
Well, you're welcome.
And over here, we have Giovanni and his Sprint Stars.
How you doing, Matt?
Good, how y'all doing? Oh yeah. He's riding in the back. Look at this. Slam double cab. Jeez, it is low.
Robert Bagwell, Millsap, Texas. You interviewed me 2 years ago with the Boogie Bug.
Right, and today you're here with a thing.
74 thing. We call it the COVID thing.
The COVID thing, because it's a COVID project.
COVID project, so you told me to keep it sweet, so here's a short and sweet. This car was new in 1974. It was wrecked 7 years later. It has 33,000 miles on it. It was wrecked and on fire, and I bought it from the original owner, who bought it from University Volkswagen for $3,250 in 1974. And the family's name is the Holubys. Thank you, Holubys. It turned out to be a great car. We love it. It's the best car we've ever had.
You put a lot of work into it, and rather than explain everything you did to it, we can we'll put a link to the air coolers build thread that you
that would be great.
You chronicled the whole build there.
COVID thing, aircoolers.org.
Yes.
I've been trying to do this forever. Aircoolers.org.
That's right. So
bring
check
back
it out
message
there.
boards.
That's right. Thank you. Thank you for coming. We appreciate you guys.
Look, is the Beetle roof rack car.
Right.
Alfred! Alfred in the rollout. Here we go. Volts picture, thanks Tim. Some spark plugs from Buckpack. Ooh. Coming. T-shirts, $6.54. Mango and Seagull Gray, 1960 Mango Microbus from Austin, Texas. The people have spoken. Eric Long, come on down, buddy. It's right here. It is. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, 2 right now.
Just taking in awards all the time.
Former June Bug winner as well. No pressure, okay? Deep. 8, 6, 1. 2, 8, 8, 6, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my Aunt Linda.
Oh my God. Winner.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching us, being with us, and spending the video with us, and we hope you enjoyed.
Massive event.
Look how quiet this one is. He's just exhausted.
I was just watching Matt Jackson expand upon what we happened today. Ladies and gentlemen,
First and foremost, thank you all for joining us for the VW Harvest. Just amazing. This is the group that made it happen around here, plus others that were just behind the scenes that you don't even see these people. What happened today, what this show is all about, the growth, the smiles on people's faces, how happy people are. It's what it's all about. The raffle was amazing. Thank you to all our sponsors. Thank you to the guys here at the Williamson County Park. Just thanks to the Kiwanis guys, what they did. But most of all, thanks everybody in the VW community for being a part of something like this. This is what it's all about. And the 65 Beetle has a new home.
Yeah. To an 82-year-old woman.
Yep, 82-year-old woman
who just happens to be Gary's aunt.
She comes out to me and my dad's cousins. They go, "We just want to support the show, so we'll just take those."
And they bought 2 tickets.
Yeah,
that was it. They bought 2 tickets. So, thank you all for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to put on a show as big as the Harvest, but if you do, just start small and it grows. This thing has done the same thing. Just get out there and do something for your community. We just so appreciate you guys watching us today.
VW Harvest.
Woo!